Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers. I am your teacher Zathir Fatma, and the book which we are doing, Maths of Nursery.
Dear student, today we will learn about the number 13. Number 13 is the two-digit numbers. जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है कि नंबर 10 के बाद ऑल ओवर नंबर्स टू डिजिट नंबर्स है और उनमें नंबर 13 भी मौजूद है. Dear students, number 13 is the two digits number. पेज नंबर 26 पर आपको दिखाई दे रहा है. This is number 13. Let's trace it. Trace it with fingers. Trace 1 and then 3. 1 and 3 make 13. Students, it's a two-digit number, so 1 and 3 is going to make 13. Let's see the pictures on page number 26. We see 13 marbles. क्या आपको दिखाई दे रहे हैं? There are 13 marbles. So let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Very good.